What's up guys, it's Big Ben Crypto here, and today we're back again with another Charge Defi update. Now this video is going to be quite short, quite simple. Now we can see the price is currently $437. We are down 18% on the daily. We getting some licks, we taking a slight beating guys. On the 7-day we are currently holding a little support here at this price of around $405, as I said last video. But as I said, we're in a very steep downtrend, to be quite honest. Let's look at the 30-day. Yes, we are in a very steep downtrend, and yeah, we're in a very steep downtrend. That's all I can say in regards to the price, action. Right, as you can see, the price action, we're down. We're down bad. In the 1 hour, we're down 5.3%. 24-hour, we're down 18.4%. The 7-day, we're down 36.3%. The 14-day, we're up 28.4%. And the 30-day, we're up 14.2%. Yeah, so we're getting some licks, guys. We're getting some licks. Yep, so we're taking some licks, guys. So let's go and check out how we're doing on the exchange. Woo-wee! Let me see if this price is this interest is correct. Come on. Thank you very much. Right, so 1.3% on the daily. So we're still down bad, guys. Static is no right. Well, before it was lower, but right now static is at 95%, which is not horrible. You know, which is not horrible. Static is at 0.95%. Sorry, 0.95%. Charge is at $437, which is not too bad. Total value lot right now is 38 million. Yeah, 38 million. We're not doing too horrible, but you know we're not doing bad. Alright, sorry. We're doing bad, but we're not doing horrible. This with lack of better words. So yeah. Right now in the boardroom the total value lot is 24.4 million. Let's see how my rewards are looking. Still down bad. Still down bad, boy. I deposited 50 US. And right now we are down to 38 US. The APR was 800 and something. Yeah, 800 and something. Point something percent. And now we're at 471%. And the rewards are still looking kind of shaky. Still looking kind of shaky, boy. But you know we're in a downtrend, so that's expected. Come on, you can't act like it's not expected, man. I'm pretty sure when we start to see some better price actions, well, some better price movement, rewards will look kind of hefty again. Let's see. Let's head over to farms. Let me see how the farms are doing. Alright, so the farms aren't looking too bad. The total volume, they say here is 9.3 million, 4.3 million, and 481,000. Interesting. So these ones, the APR for these are 585%, 543%, and then there's 63% on Pulse, which is not too bad. 14.2 million lock. Okay, not bad. But as you can see, guys, we are still not up as yet. The static is still not above $1, but we're close. We are at 95 cents. The price is now at $438.58. But yeah, as I said the previous video, we are getting some licks, but all we could do is stay strong, holds, and wait for better games. Big Ben Crypto here out.